second. Oh, wow! It is super strong. Very strong. So it pump the water. Okay, we already clean. This one. Good. Okay, done. So this is the intake water pipe, and this is the way that we fill in the water at the first time, and this is the air pipe. Yeah, okay. So it just keep a few minutes to make it firm because I just applied the glue. Okay, I'm going down. Actually, I put the foot valve checks into the water to stop the water returning back to the river. And yeah, at the first time I just clean the water. Okay, full. Okay, the water is here now. Okay. Alright, so we just put it into here. Done for the intake water pipe. What I gotta do is just connect the output water pipe into the right field. Okay, now we start to install the output pipe. Okay. It's direct to the right field. And this time I don't use the master valve here. I use only one valve at the last. Okay, so I need to put the air pipe here. Actually, okay. air pipe, vertical pipe to reduce the bubble come back from the last output. Okay, done. Okay, so this is the last output pipe. Just keep lower and lower level to make the water gravity suck the water from the drum. Okay, great. So I will do the testing after I fill in the water. It's work or not. It's just 30 meters from the drum now. Actually I do the 50 meters from the drum, but today just 30. Let's see how it works. Okay, now the installation is complete. So what I gonna do is just fill in the water until full the drum. So I don't have any electricity to pump the water into this one, so I have to carry until full. So I just make one basket for you to see how I feel. So this way is a little bit complicated, a little bit difficult to take it, but it's okay for me. It's normal for me. I do it every day like this. Just carry the water, go to the drum. Actually, a 50 basket is fulfill this drum, just like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's almost full. It's about 49 basket already. I hope this one is the last one. Okay, same style. Whoa! Yes, it's full now. Okay. Can hear it's full. Okay, so now I have to close the valve here and here. Alright, and we're going to open the last output valve. Okay, this is the last output pipe. The water is full now, and I have the foot valve. So the water is full of the pipe here. It's just waiting here. When this one press, the water just dropping down from here. A little bit only, it's just coming down. So it's not hard to pump to suck the water. And this time I make it safe. It's different from the other video because actually I put the master valve here to open, but now I just save it because everyone spent a lot at the first time, so I just remove it. So this is the air pipe when the water suck that one to reduce the bubble come back from the last output pipe. Okay, and this is just 30 meters. So I want it work or not. So I hope it works because this is the big pipe and the last output pipe is just 34 millimeters, the same as the output one. It's a small one, but this is the big. So I will do the testing right now. The water is full drum, full pipe. So open it. 1, 2, 3. Just open 100%. Oh, wow! It is super strong, very strong. So it comes the water, oh, stronger and stronger. Oh, My God, it's unbelievable because as you see that the water, the pipe is just like this, just going down. So the water gravity is very heavy. So this is the small pipe, so it make it press very strong. So it's work now. Actually, it's not work. It will stop immediately, but now it's work already. I will wait to see it about 20 minutes if it stop coming. But I hope it works. This is the water clear. It's a new water replaced from. It is from the river. It's work already. Very cool. It's very cool, man. Oh, very heavy. Water very strong. Okay, so my right wheel here, it has the water. It has the water. I hop and I keep here. When the water enough, I just open it 10%. Just come a little bit only. Just make sure that the water is not flood my right wheel. So what I gonna do is I have to go to check the drum how it works. So it's no leaking. The quality of glue is very good. I use the good quality glue, so it's no leaking at all here. Very good. I hear some air pressure from the drum. Wow, it's very strong press from the water, from the intake water. Let me listen if I have. Okay, you can hear. We can hear the water dropping from the intake water pipe. I can hear the water dropping just a little, maybe half of the tank. The water still stay in half of the tank. So as you can see, the last intake water pipe here, I have the foot valve. So you can see the water go into the pipe. Oh, all right. I can't take it over the water because the air will go in, so it stopped working. So I can't take it over, just keep in the water. So it's work now. Just 30 meter also work. So it's okay. All right, you can do it just like this, just simple like this. You can do it, and you got the water. You got the pump automatic from the river. Okay. So finally, thank you for watching our video, and we try to do something easy for you. I don't want to make complicated. It's just easy to make it. So now it's work already. I just made it very easy and spend less. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. See you the next video. If you are the new watching our channel, just hit subscribe and turn on bell notification. You will see more video about free and more. Thanks. Bye.